Hi everyone, today we are going to practice how to log in to our Math Expressions account. For that, you would need to put on a new Google tab the link that I sent you. Okay, you're going to put the link here and this page is going to appear. See? We need to do this exactly as is here so we can log in. So we have country, state, district, and school. You have to put the same that we have here. United States, District of Columbia, Regional Center, American School. I also sent you a picture of this. What we're going to do now is I'm going to show you how to log in with your student's account. So I'm going to use Antonia's account. So I'm going to put her mail here. And I'm going to put her password. Okay, remember that your passwords, the first letter of your password is a capital letter. Always capital letter, okay? Once I have my password, once I have my username, that is my account from the school, my FCAQ account, I'm going to log in. Be sure that all these text boxes are ready and exactly the same as I'm showing you here. So we're going to log in and this is going to appear, okay? If you have this on your screen, perfect, you are done. So we're going to go back here and I'm going to show you. Okay, so look, remember on these 4 boxes you have to have the same as this picture that I sent you. Your username is your email and your password, the first letter of your password is a capital letter, okay? See the next tutorial video so you can see how to go to the assignment.